if you're a local business owner, you need to hear this. And most businesses are still stuck in the old playbook. Here's what's happening. AI search isn't replacing Google Maps or local search. It's just layering on top of it. But here's the thing. AI search still relies on the same local signals you've always needed. Your Google business profile, your reviews, your service pages, location relevance, all of it. The difference, AI is now deciding whether to recommend you based on how strong those signals actually are. It's not just do you rank anymore, it's all about do I trust this business enough to tell my users about it. This matters because a lot of business owners think, okay, so AI search is the future, so I'll focus on that and let local SEO slide. That's the wrong move. If your local foundation is weak, AI won't trust you, no matter how long you've been in business. So you're not choosing between local SEO and AI optimization. You're strengthening both at the same time. Local SEO builds the foundation. AI search decides how confidently you get recommended on top of it. If you want AI to trust your business enough to recommend you, focus on these things right now. Get your Google business profile locked in. Build consistent, authentic reviews. Make your service pages crystal clear about what you do and where you serve. That's the baseline. That's what AI is looking for. And if you're not sure where your local presence actually stands, or you want help building a strategy that works both for local and AI search, that's exactly what we do at Hello Search. Send me a message and let's talk about what your business needs.